Find my iPhone, find my Apple Watch. Now you can find pretty much anything. After months of waiting, Apple has finally announced the arrival of AirTags. Apple's answer to Bluetooth tracking devices like we've seen from Tile, and a new way to find non-Apple objects on your iPhone. And how did they unveil this handy new connected helper? With a really weird video of a guy getting lost inside his sofa. Whether you have a carnivorous sofa or you just lose things a lot, Apple's AirTags are being billed as a way to bring the power of the Find My network to pretty much anything you might want to keep track of. The idea is simple. Once you set up the button-sized AirTag, it'll appear in the new Items tab in your Find My app. The app will show you the current or last known location of your AirTag, and if you're in Bluetooth range, you can use the app to play a sound from the tag so you can find it. The tags also feature ultra-wideband technology, which makes the finding process on your iPhone 11 or iPhone 12 even more accurate. Using a combination of the iPhone's camera, accelerometer, gyroscope, and AR kit, you'll be able to track down your lost tag using arrows, sound, and even haptic feedback. You can also assign a phone number to your tag, meaning that anyone who finds it can tap it with their NFC-enabled phone and find out your details. But the AirTag is really designed for the Apple ecosystem. If you're not in Bluetooth range, that's where Apple is unleashing the power of its global Find My network, which now includes close to 1 billion devices. Even if no one physically finds your tag, other Apple devices can detect the signal from your AirTag and relay that information back to your phone, anonymously and privately in the background. And according to Apple, that privacy element was really important for AirTags. The company says iOS will be able to detect if an AirTag isn't with its owner and notify someone if it looks like they're being followed by an unknown tag. Apple also says that only the owner of a device is able to access the location information. It's an interesting time to launch AirTags. For many of us, the past year hasn't really involved a lot of venturing out of the house and losing things in fun new places. Apple also just opened up the Find My network to third-party hardware, including the likes of the one-spot tracker from Chipolo, which does pretty much the same job that AirTags do. Still, it's pretty exciting to see the convenience of the Find My feature coming to more items in our everyday lives. Apple's AirTags are $29 each or $99 for a pack of 4, and they can be customized with free engraving. They're also available with a number of accessories like leather and polyurethane loops and a leather keyring for attaching to your bag or luggage. They're dust-resistant, water-resistant, and seemingly monster couch-proof, and they're built with replaceable batteries that should last you about a year. Apple AirTags go on pre-order on April 23rd, with availability starting April 30th. For more Apple news, stay tuned to CNET.